Hi, welcome to Swam's Art Gallery. Uh, this is our galleries. We start for a Happy New Year enjoyment 2018. We do some things oil painting working for our gallery. So we start this type of painting. This is called Indian art. I mean Indian ethics art. This is Lord Krishna, which is made in oil paint, and every portion is very beautiful, and look is very beautiful, and all the ornamental working is done here good, and with the most designing and terracotta working here, and some things work is in process, so I do it start, but after 1 days 2 days it will be good completing as the jpg as the photo, and this is the portions of the fruit, and this is the Krishna's emotions music from the fruits. This is one type of a philosophical attitude for Indian painting, and we studied here. This color matching is very beautiful, and especially uh, this type of paintings, oil painting is much glazing and much beautiful than acrylic colors. See, when I started this color, so this is a smoothly decorated, smoothly motions here, and no any glazing portions. But after it drying it, it will be most glazing, and it will be most amazing about the color shadiness. So this type of working we do here, and after some days it will be completed with a beautiful Krishna, beautiful God, and especially this amazing type of paintings we do especially in our gallery. Especially we care about the terracotta designing, terracotta working here, and some things ornamentally we do it with the 3D colors, so with the 3D makeup, and the maximum portions of Krishna's is in process. After some days it will be completed with beautiful amazing painting, and not only Krishna, but some things others product from our gallery we do it very uh, beautiful ornamental working, terracotta working with a simple designing with a very beautiful amazing glazing of the paintings. So this type of a product we do in our gallery, and after all about it, we do also acrylic type of paintings. This is one painting is acrylic painting is the traditional tribals paintings, and after it all this is also miniature sculptures we do it very goodly, and this is our basic motto of our gallery, that we do it first, and we do it very simply and modified and decorative wall decorative miniature sculpture for customer providing it. This is our basic product for our gallery, and we provide it all over the market in India. After all, this type of a painting we do it. This is the miniature sculptures of the lions with light fittings. Some product we do it simply. There are no any difficulty. Everybody can do it. And this type of paintings is also ethical painting with Lord Shiva. This is the Islamic photo about the Quran writing, and this is the traditional painting. And this is very beautiful Dulhan painting. I mean Indian Dulhan painting, Indian bride painting. This is very beautiful decorative paintings. So this type of a product we do it here and we do in our gallery. So friends, if you are interested for our product, so see the next video, the next subscribe, the next like for our videos, and one by one in this 2018 we want to quit some more beautiful, teachable and trainable videos for you. So thank you.